Good early morning out there, everybody. It's a midnight update. Brian Ivy, forecaster for NeoWeather.com. We are looking at mostly snow showers across the whole viewing area at this time, just in the extreme eastern areas of Ohio, from Ashtabula through Trumbull, Mahoning, and also Columbiana counties is where we're seeing a little bit of rain. Cold front has just pushed through now. Cold air flooding most of these areas at this time. Let's turn on some temperature data. How about 34 in Canton, down in Philadelphia, 24 degrees, 20 across Mansfield, 19 in Shelby, teens already, 21 in Norwalk, 24. Lorain County readings in the low 20s, central Cuyahoga counties in the low 20s as well. Lake County looking at the upper 20s with a little bit of warmer air across the lake. Also here in Ashtabula County, we are looking at temperatures in the low to mid 30s. As we mentioned, it's just a little bit warmer there. Now, what's our scenario going on right now? Again, light rain showers, as I'll show you in a minute here. These are snow showers. Moderate burst of snow from Lorain County up over to Lake, Cuyahoga County as well. That's where you're picking up a good ½ inch to an inch of snow right now. Well, what's the story, ladies and gentlemen, as we're going to shut off the radar here for a second. We have a advisory in effect for the whole state of Ohio. So the whole advisory. Now we also have a winter storm warning in effect for Cuyahoga, Lake, Geauga, and Ashtabula counties. There are an additional few inches of snow, and in some locations where snow squalls persist, several inches of snow will occur from this system snow and then lake effect snow event. Now, what do we expect? Well, let's get right to a broader perspective here. We'll show you this right now. Again, here's the snow. This is batch number 1 of the snow. Batch number 2 going to come through around 2 a.m. It's just some scattered stuff. Maximum accumulations from that will be about a ½ inch after this one drops a good inch across many sections of the area. Round 3 is also just some scattered stuff coming through 3-4 a.m. Then we're going to see a few hour break without any precipitation. Then this batch rotates through. This is a pretty wide scope of snow, and there's going to be some heavy snow embedded, like right now across northern Indiana. That's going to basically stretch from Grand Rapids through Cleveland into Pittsburgh area. That will be a few hours of light to moderate, briefly heavy snowfall, adding a couple to as much as a few inches in a lot of spots, putting totals at 3 to 6 inches by mid-afternoon, when all this winds down to just some flurries and snow showers. But then we're going to see lake effect snow start up. As you can see here, again, here's the current pressure, 990 millibar low, very strong low pressure just to the east of Lake Huron right now. Up here in Ontario, we also have another low pressure with a pretty well-defined trough. That's what's going to be moving through and bringing the heavier precipitation with the system tomorrow morning into the early afternoon hours. Here's our forecast from 1 a.m. We have this one round comes through, another round comes through. Here's your gap at 7 a.m. This setting up for 10 a.m. This is the newest computer data. This is a big snow stretching all the way across Lake Michigan, going into Indiana, northwestern Ohio, then coming across and getting fed in by the trough. This trough system right here is going to lay right along the Lake Erie shoreline, and this heavy band of snow looks to stretch right across the Lake Erie northern counties of Ohio, with some scattered snow and briefly moderate snow to the south of that. So that looks like the setup right now. We'll have more updates throughout the morning hours. Have a good night out there, everybody. Stay safe and stay well.